have started and inaugurated today our first year of vocational training in Ohrid and Kavadaci with companies like Drechselmeier and ODW, LDR Learnica and Coastal.
Бързи и флексибилни програми, които ги овъзможуваат подготвување на учениците за да излезат утре во пазарот.
Because the mismatch here on the labor market is quite an issue. We face a lot of graduates from universities without any perspective, and we are thankful that the ministry is accepting the pilot project and is also accepting our curricula.
Станува збор за 3-годишен проект за дуално стручно образование, што ќе се спроведува во Република Македонија со германска експертиза и подршка.
We're talking here about vocational training for graduates, which is quite sophisticated, and I can assure you they would always find a job in modern technology-related industries, because mechatronics is the combination of mechanics, IT, and electronic engineering.